Hey everybody, today's video is going to be about our Eagles Landing product. This is our mid-range product. It is a 20 mil wear layer. If you're doing some shopping or you're watching any of my other videos, you'll know that a 20 mil wear layer is about as thick as it gets. That is that protective coating over the top of the floors that gives it its durability. It's a ceramic bead coating, and it also provides some grip for to prevent or slow down slipping as well. This is our middle of the road product. This product is again a 20 mil wear layer, which is about as durable as it gets on the market. It's a stone core product. So that means it's made of crushed limestone in the middle here and is completely waterproof. And with that 20 mil wear layer, is also scratch resistant. This floor is going to hold up to pets, kids, clumsy adults, pretty much anything going on in your floors. This floor is going to serve a purpose to last you for many, many years. It comes with a 20-year residential warranty and a 5-year commercial warranty. So this product is really made to hold up to just about anything. We have 4 beautiful colors. This is our Pecan Shell, and it's a very natural looking wood product. It's got some knotting in it. This is also embossed and registered, so it has some texture to it, which I think is really important and also makes it a very popular choice among our buyers. This floor is a click-in floor. It's a floating floor, so when you install it, it simply clicks into the next piece in the row and makes for a very, very simple installation. It can be done by yourself. If you want to watch some YouTube videos and become an expert on flooring installation, you're welcome to do that. We also have installation crews, so we can put this in for you as well. This comes with a very nice and sturdy click mechanism. So when it clicks in, it goes in pretty smooth and simple and is very durable. You get a really nice tight lock with that product. So it's super important that when you're installing these floors, that you understand the difference between a click-in and a glue-down in terms of surface preparation. Glue-down floor is going to show like the contours in the subfloor. One of the advantages of this floor is that it's floating, so if there's any imperfections in the subfloor, they won't necessarily show up. You won't feel them when you're walking on this floor, and that's super important when you're shopping for a floor. So again, this is a great product. Our Eagles Landing. This is a Pecan Shell color, click-in floating floor, 20 mil wear layer, and $199 price point. Super durable, and has some beautiful styles and colors for you.